Celery, Apium graveolens, is a marshland plant in the family Apiaceae that has been cultivated as a vegetable since antiquity. Celery has a long fibrous stalk tapering into leaves. Depending on location in cultivar, either as stalks, leaves or hypocotyl are eaten and used in cooking. Celery seed is also used as a spice, and its extracts have been used in herbal medicine. It has been traditionally used to treat various ailments including flu, colds, digestive problems and arthritis. Also used by the ancient Greeks and Romans for medicinal purposes, celery seeds have been known to possess potent diuretic properties since these times. So what are celery seed benefits? Starting with number 1. Detoxification. Celery seeds are rich in the diuretic oils 3-N-butylphthalide, 3-NB, which gives celery its distinctive smell and taste. These powerful diuretics cleanse the system of excess fluids and stimulate the kidneys, causing the body to flush out uric acid and excess crystals that can cause many problems including gout, arthritis and kidney stones. The compounds found in these seeds enable the renal system to excrete uric acid more effectively, as well as being extremely alkalizing, helping the body get rid of too much water by increasing urine output. Increasing the frequency and quantity of urine aids in the removal of excess fats, salts, bile, uric acid and urea. Number 2. Blood pressure. The antihypertensive ability of celery seeds is also due to the miracle compounds 3-NB. These compounds appear to offer a multi-pronged attack against high blood pressure by acting as both a diuretic and a vasodilator, as well as working in a manner similar to pharmaceutical drugs known as calcium channel blockers. The benefit of 3-NB as a natural alternative to treat high blood pressure is the fact that it has a very unusual mechanism of action as a diuretic. Most pharmaceutical diuretics change the ratio of sodium to potassium in the blood, and, as a result, dangerous side effects can occur due to either too much potassium or sodium. In contrast, 3-NB acts as a diuretic, but does not alter the ratio of sodium to potassium in the blood. Number 3. Digestive health. A 2010 study found that ethanol extracts found in celery seeds can help to protect the digestive tract by bolstering the gastric mucus that helps line the stomach and prevent the formation of ulcers. This effect may also extend to the colon and small intestines, thanks in part to the alkaloids and flavonoids found in these seeds. Celery seeds are also thought to be one of the most effective natural stomach bloating remedies, assisting with protein digestion, thus making the overall digestive process easier on the digestive system. This, coupled with its ability to reduce excess water that the body is holding on to, makes celery seeds one of nature's best anti-bloating herbs. Other digestive benefits include promoting healthy bowel regularity and reducing gas and flatulence. Number 4. Anxiety stress. Celery seeds have calming and sedative properties due to the presence of the phytochemical limonene, which acts as a mild tranquilizer. It is known to be very beneficial for treating anxiety, nervousness, mental stress and insomnia. Number 5. Menstrual discomfort PMS. Celery seeds can be effective against menstrual discomfort, abnormal menstrual flow and irregular menstrual cycles. They contain the plant chemical apium, which is beneficial to the endocrine system and helps to alleviate PMS and menstrual disorders. According to recent research, taking celery seed extract for 3 days from the first day of a menstrual cycle may alleviate the severity of menstrual discomfort and help with PMS. Typical use. Celery seeds can be used in stocks, stews and sprinkled over salads. To make celery seed tea, use 1-2 teaspoons of seeds, cover with hot water, and leave to steep for 10 minutes. Precautions. Not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding mothers, persons with low blood pressure, kidney disorders, celery or birch pollen allergies. Please consult with your healthcare practitioner if you are taking any medication, especially blood thinners, blood pressure medication, diuretic medication, thyroid medication or lithium.